Okay. Um, Hello, I'm Liang Yitao. Today I'll share my project of M5 step. This is the Pomodoro technique of the fan M5 step with Arduino. So for the introduction, why I use this topic, since I think Pomodoro technique is popular of the time management method. For the social, they always use this method recently. So I will use the M5 Go for hardware and the Arduino of a software to develop how can enhance the focus and productivity of students. So how to use? I will set the 5 minutes as the working session, just like start the work, and then set the 5 minutes to break, just like take a rest of 5 minutes. Then I will set some count to record how many times of use the Pomodoro technique. So I will introduce some history of the Pomodoro technique and Arduino of M5 step. So the target is the students' difficulty. So what is the problem of the students? Since they are always a lack of focus and relation of the students that cause them they have some stress or that they are stressful. So they need to highlight the importance of focus and relation in their life. So about the benefits of Pomodoro technique, I think you can enhance their concentration. Just like student, they need to some concentration. Second is that it can promote the time management of student. As you know, students they have some homework or assignment they need to do, so they need to keep the focus and a good time management. Then they can reduce the stress and procrastination, just like they can have a quality to do some time quicker. I hope they can do their assignment fast. So how can I design my M5 Go tomato timer? So I will set the button A just like you see. Um, I will set the 55 minutes to start the work when the the 15 5 minutes and they will have the beep beep sound. Button B is just take 5 minutes of take a rest. When finish the 5 minutes, they will have the beep 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 sound. The button C have two functions. The first is when you take the button C, then we call the tomato, just like can to add one. The second function is when you double click the button C, that will clean the um, screen, just like the all text will disappear. Then I will use the Arduino, just like uh, you need to download some thing and setting, just like you need to change the preferences. Then you need to add a block. It's just like block management to for Arduino. Then you need to add the library, just like M5 step to do something control. So let's start the uh, how to use the M5 Go. Just you see, this is the Pomodoro, the title, and this is the idea, just like manage your time. This is some description. Then when you um click the button A, then will display down some tests. Since these are for the test, so I set the 10 second. When you finish the 10 second, they will have baby sound. The second, this is a take a rest button, and I just for test set to 5 seconds. Then this account, when you take a button, then we see you finish the first Pomodoro, then we change the one. When you finish the second Pomodoro technique, they will add one of the count. There is the second function of button C. Just hold the 2 seconds, then we'll clean the screen. So let's show the video to you. As you see, it is a start page, and we will start the working. And since I set the 10 seconds of the test, and you listen the sound, and we start the rest button, and I just set the 5 seconds, and you can see the sound. That is the button C, and you see, we can go to run the program. Then they will set the count to 2 or 3, and we set the final function is clean the screen. So you can see they can keep going to run the program, and let them know you finish the count is keep going to add one, and if use the loop function. So for the count of use, it can encourage the students. They can know, I have working, I done many the Pomodoro technique. It can give them the positive power and let them to keep going. So about the compare with difference of Pomodoro technique, I think I have different products of the Pomodoro technique of our life. Just like you see this one, and this is my project. But I think my project have some advantage. Just like their product is too big and smaller, and they can't count the number of use that you see. They can't show the screen, and we can take the button C to show the count of the number, give the student have the positive message, and they can show any data or the unclear data to show. Then we can show some data to and let the students know what is the process. So this is the Arduino of coding. So why I use the Arduino? Since I hope I can learn some Arduino knowledge, so I use the M5 Go to learn the uh, Arduino, and this is pro coding, and you can see I can learn some the setup, the library, and the look and the button function, button A, button B, and button C, and learn some the um look function or the other function or the press for function. There is interesting, so I use the Arduino. Although have some problem or difficulty. So finally, for the future, I think I will improve some function, just like the language, to change the different language, or some music, just like I change the BBB to the a song. It is a better. I hope can give some give the user have the friendly using. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.